हेलो स्टूडेंट, हाउ आर यू? आई होप एवरीवन इज फाइन। आप लोगों का बोर्ड एग्जाम शुरू हो रहे हैं। हम इसीलिए फिर से आप लोगों का लिए एपी का एनसीईआरटी का टेक्स्ट बुक का एक्सरसाइज हम कराएंगे। आप लोग ठीक से प्रैक्टिस करते रहिएगा और बहुत अच्छे से करिए। टेस्ट आपका शुरू हो रहे हैं और आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपके लिए बहुत ही फायदा होगा। मैं तुम्हारा गौतम सर हूँ। आज फिर से हम आप लोगों के लिए एपी का क्वेश्चन कराएंगे। ओके, नाउ today I lecture exercise 5.3. Okay, this is from NCERT textbook and question number 1. No, just I revised the identities and you know the number of term nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is number of term and sum of an AP. So that is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the sum of terms. A first term, the common difference, n number of terms. Another identity is n by 2 a plus last term, nth term. Otherwise, you can write a plus l. Okay, this is last term. Last term. And this is first term, this is number of terms. So when last term given, first term given, you can apply these identities. Okay. So otherwise, these universal identities, each and every question when first term common difference given, number of terms given, you can also find this way. Okay. Now I start. Note the identities first, then I start the questions. Question number 1, 5.3, question number 1. Heading, find the sum of the following APs. Find sum. Okay, just I write the question 1, 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Okay, so here number of terms is n, 10. And first term is given to common difference 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 or n is equal to 10. Now identities of Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n? N is equal to 10 by 2 and a is 2 and n is, you write here s 10, right? And n put n 10 minus 1 and d is 5. Very simple. N is equal to 10 and a is given, d is 5. Okay, now put n is equal to 10. That is 5, 4, 9 into 5, 4 plus 45, 49 and multiply. To 45. Understood? I think everyone understood. So you solve this question carefully. Okay? Okay, now I move to next question. And now question number 2, 3, 4, all are same. So you do calculate. If you have a problem, then you will send a message, then I will do it. Okay? Now question number 2. And find the sum. Find the sum. Now question number 1, 7 plus 10, 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on 84. Okay, here a is 7, d is 10, 1 by 2 second term minus first. Now convert this fraction to fraction. So 10 to 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. Now 2 minus 14. That is how much? 7 by 2. Okay. 7 by 2, that is common difference. And here last term given. N given, right? Now number of term not given. So you apply the identities of nth term A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 84. Because you apply the identities when number of terms are given, but here number of terms not given. So you apply the last term N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now all are given 7, but number of terms not given is 7 by 2. So after solving, -84 minus 7, 77, and multiply here, and this here reciprocal multiply because divide. So 11, 22, n is equal to 22 plus 1, 23. Number of terms find. Now we apply the identities n by 2. You have two identities, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can apply each and every question, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But in this case, you can apply this plus an because last term given. So it will be easy. So n is equal to 23 by 2 and a is 7 and last term is 84. Last time is 84. 23 by 2, so 91. Okay, so multiply this and this is the final result. Okay, so now don't confuse. If you have a confuse, then you can apply these identities 2a plus n minus 1 into d, d2, that is the enough, and after putting the values and after solving, you get the same result. Okay, now third and second part all are same. You do first, then I will move to next question. Next question is question number 3. Okay, noted. Okay, now move to next question. Question number 3. First part. There are many parts. A is equal to D, A is equal to 5, and D is equal to 3, and nth term 50. Find N and Sn. Find N and Sn. So very simple. Last nth term given 50. We know that the identities of nth term A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 50 and put the value A and put the value of D. Now n minus 1 into 3, 50 minus 5, 45, 5 shifting this side. Now 3 divide 15, n is equal to 16. Number of term is already fine. Now apply the Sn. Sn is you apply A plus n because last term is given. Otherwise, you can apply 2a plus n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, according to your choice. So that is n by 2, a is equal to 5, nth term is 50. Now do the calculation. Okay. Now I move to next question. Done. Okay, now same as question number 2, A given just a hint, 13 time given, and D and Sn. Okay, find D and S13. So you apply A13 is equal to 35A plus N, put 13 minus 1 into D. After putting the value of A and A, so you can find the value of D. After that, apply the S13. So that is the very simple. So S13, after finding D, you apply S13, 13 by 2, A plus N term, last term, because A13 given. And if you have any doubt, you apply N by 2, you apply, otherwise you apply Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now I move to next question. You do calculate. Now I move to next question. 3. A12 is given. A12 given, D is equal to 3 given. Find A and S12, find A and S12, find A and S12. So A12 easy, very simple. A12 is equal to 37, A plus 11D, 12 minus 1 is equal to 37. D is already given, put here. So what is 37 minus 33 is equal to 4? That is the value of D, A. Now after that S12 is equal to n by 2, A plus An, because last term is also given. So n is equal to 12 by 2, last term is 4, A12 is equal to 37. Now to calculate, this is very simple, but think fast. It is very simple. You don't think, then can't be possible. Okay? It always go step by step. Okay, noted. Now I move to fourth part. Fourth part is given. A3 is equal to 15. S10 is equal to 125. Find D. Find D and A10. So S10 and A3 already given. So we make two equations. A3 is equal to 15. What is A3? A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Okay. This is equation 1. What is S10? S10, 10 by 2, A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 125. 10 by 2, 5. 2a plus 90 is equal to 125. 2a plus 90 divided by 5. So 2a plus 90 is equal to how much? 25. This is equation 2. Okay. Now solving these two equations, apply the coefficient method. So this is 1, this is 2, already knows how can do this. Here coefficient of A is 1, coefficient of A is 2. You need the coefficient of A, both the equation 1 to same. So you multiply 2 here. So 2a plus 4d is equal to 30, and this equation 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. After that, both the A terms are same signs. You subtract 1 and 2, 2 from 1. So you changing the sign. All this is cancelled. 4a minus 9d is equal to minus 5d. 30 minus 25 is 5. So d is equal to minus 1. After that, you put the value of these any one equation. Put d is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. I mention here 1, that is in equation 1. So a plus 2d, here, 2d, 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. So a is equal to 15 minus plus 2, that is 17. So now after that, you find the A10. A10 you know The identities, same identities each and every time we use. So A plus A is 17, that is 9, and D is minus 1. Now to calculate. Okay. So what is the value? That is 8. So this way you do each and every question. This exercise, this chapter is very simple. If you focus your identities and steps and some 2-3 questions, then you will able to do each and every question. Okay. Now this question is noted. Now I move to next question. Okay, so I keep some questions because you able to do some questions also, because similar type of question given again and again. So I after that I move to 10 question. Okay, now L equal to 28, S equal to 144, and their total 9 terms. N equal to 9. Find A. N is equal to 9. Find A. Okay. Now, L mean last term. Okay. Now, Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus last term L. Sn 144 is equal to N9. A not given, last term given. So you apply these identities. So that is 144 into 2 by 9. A plus 28 and divisible by 9. Thirty-two minus 28, A is equal to 2. Okay. Now, in which term you needed? Find A. Okay, this is the answer. I think all are understood. Okay, now next question number 4. How many terms of an AP? How many terms of an AP? 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. So it is very simple question. Sequence is 9, 13, 9, 17. 9, 17, 25. So here A is equal to 9, D is equal to 17 minus 9. Okay, that is 8. So must be taken to give sum. So I take number of term is n. So S of n is equal to 636. Now apply the identities. 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 636. N is not given. Put the value of a, n, a, and put the value of d also. Now take common 2. Now after that you split the middle term and calculate the value of n. You know everyone. So you multiply n square coefficient 4 and 636, and you make the prime factor of 4 and 636. 636. If it is the prime number and prime vector of 4 also here. Now 3 to the 6 to the 12, 4, 12, 48. 53 minus 48 is also 5. Take n common. N equal to 12, but n equal to here minus 53 by 4n, it is not possible because number of term can't be take negative. Okay. So how many terms? That is 12 terms. It is the answer. It is very important question. Now you do next question. Note down fast. You don't note down fast, then you pause. I move to next question. Now next question is find the first term of an AP is 5. The first term of an AP is 5 and last term 45 and sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. Find number of terms and common difference. D. First term given, last term given. Okay, first term given, last term given. So that means you to apply a last term in a nth term. Nth term, n. Otherwise you can take L. Formula a plus n minus 1 into n. Put the value of a and okay. So first term of an AP is given and last term is okay. Okay. So you sum is also given. Sn 400. To apply the identities n by 2 a plus last term 400 n by 2 a 5, but n is equal to how much? 45. 10 by 2 into 50, n into 25. Now simplify this part. After that, you apply the identities. N is equal to a plus n minus 1. Find n here. Okay, so put the value of n and a, and you already nth term is 45, and this is, and you after calculate you will find the value of p. Okay. Now next. The first and last term of an AP is first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350. Common difference 9. How many terms and what are their sum? Find 10 and also find S. Okay. First term and last term. Common difference. So n is equal to 350. A plus n minus 1 into d 350, right? A is also 17. 350 minus 1 into d is 9. Wait. All are given. The first and last term have been given. Okay. Number of terms not given. By mistake, I put here. And d is 9. So n minus 1 into 9. After that, you opening the bracket. Same. 350 minus 17. You can calculate the value of n. Okay. And after that, apply the formula of Sn. Okay. Now you move to next question. Seven. This also same 7. Question number 8. Now question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP, sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, and that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP 49. You take first term A, common difference D. In an exam, always you write the first term B A and common difference D. After that, you apply the identities. Okay. So n by 2, n is 7, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, 49, right? So 7 by 2, 2a plus 6d is equal to 49, and take 2 common, a plus 3d, 2 cancel, a plus 3d is equal to 49 divided by 7 is also 7. This is equation 1. Okay. This is equation 1. Now after that, sum 17 terms. S17 is equal to 289. 17 by 2, 2a plus 16d. So take 2 common. A plus 8d is equal to 289. 7 2 cancel. a plus 80 and 7 divided by 17. 17. This is equation. Now solving these two equations. Solving these two equations. After that, you can find the sum of first n term because you need a and d. Okay, subtract. So minus 5d is equal to minus 10. So d is equal to 2. D2 put equation 1 and 3 into 2, 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to. Now after that, find the first sum of first n term. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And put the value of a and d. You get the answer in terms of n. Okay. Understood? This is very important question. Now, question number 10. Prove that A1, A2, so on, An form an AP. Okay. And first part, An is equal to 3 plus 4n. This type of question is very simple. Please do attention. You put A is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. Put here 4 into 1, 3 plus 4, that is 7. This is 7 term, first term. If you put n is equal to 2, 3 plus 8, 11. That is the second term. And if you put n is equal to 3, 3 plus 12, that is 15 terms. Now after that, you find the value of D1, common difference, first common difference, second term minus first term. 11 minus 7, that is equal to 4. And second common difference, A3 minus A2, 15 minus 11, 4. And conjugative common difference are same. So D1 is equal to D2, therefore it is an AP. This is the format. How can prove this sequence an AP? If you put conjugative common difference are same, then it will say it is an arithmetic progression. After that, say find also sum of first 15 terms. Also find S15. Now you can apply the identities. Sn, okay, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the value 15 by 2, a is equal to 7 and 15 minus 1 and d is equal to 4. So 15 by 2, 14 plus 14 into 4. So you do calculate. This is the final answer. Okay, understood? And I next question I explain. This is the mostly student confused. How can do the solve? Okay. Now next question. Sum of n terms of an AP is this. Sum of n terms means Sn is equal to given 4n minus n square. Sum of n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to this. What is the first term and third term, 10 term? That's it. So in that type of question, you put n is equal to 1. That is 4 minus 1 square. 3. This is equal to A1. Now next part, 8 plus 2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 8 minus 4. This is equal to A1 plus A2. S2 means if you take the sequence of an AP A1, A2, A3, so on. So sum of S1 means A1. Sum of S2 means A1 plus A2. Right? And sum of S3 means A1 plus A2 plus S2. Understood? Now this is not A2. So most of the students take this is equal to A2. No, you take, you do carefully and attention, please, because S1 means first term, S2 means first and second term sums. Okay, now find the common difference. S2 minus S1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this, no, not common difference, sorry. This is now you find the second term. Second term is S2 minus S1 because here A1, A2 are A1. So this you 4 minus 3 is 1. After that A1 is A2 is, now find the common difference. A2 minus A1. 1 minus 3. Minus 2. Now find the required terms. Third term, 10th term, nth term. You can apply the identities. 10th term means A plus 90. Put the value of A and D. Nth term means A plus N minus 1D. Now put the value of A and D. You get the answer in terms of N. Okay. Now I move to next question. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. Find the sum of first 40 integer divisible by 6. Sum of 40 integer divisible by 6. Okay. So first 40 integer, so that means first number is 6, 12, 24, 12, 18. Okay. So on. And n is equal to 40. First 40. The a is equal to 6. Common difference 12 minus 6, 6. Sum is 40. 40 by 2. 2a, a, and 40 minus 1 into b. In an exam, you write the identities part, then you put the value 1 by 1. Okay? And 39. Now you do calculate. And after that, this is the answer. I think everyone understood. To do practice. Tomorrow I will do next question after 12. I will explain today. A class is enough. You do practice. All the best.